In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Banco Popular username. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in popular.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Popular. Let me just select the English language. So if you've forgotten your username and if you want to recover it, it is actually very simple. Click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option sign in to Me Banco. Now you'll be led to the login page of Banco Popular. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. But if you want to recover your username, over here you'll be able to find this option forgot your username. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your email address. Enter the email address provided during Mi Banco online registration. So click on the field of email address and provide your email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Likewise, what you have to do is confirm the email address. Simply re-enter the email address over here. After you enter the email address, click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you will receive a recovery link via email. What you have to do is open the Gmail. Simply open the email sent to you by Banco Popular. Over there, you'll be able to find the link. Simply click on it. After that, what you have to do is complete the recovery process. For that, you may need to provide your social security number, date of birth, primary account number, and personal identification number in order to verify your identity. After your identity is verified, you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and recover your username. So like this, you'll be able to recover it. So that is how you recover Banco Popular username. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.